Hey there! Are you trying to figure out how to sign up for Roblox on your phone? Don't worry, here's how to create a new Roblox account. So first, make sure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. Also, make sure the Roblox app is downloaded from the App Store. Now, launch the Roblox app on your phone. You'll see two options. Create an account or sign in. If you're using the Roblox app for the first time, you need to create a new account. For that, tap on the Create Account button. Now enter your details like birth date. Select your day, month, and year, then confirm your birthday. Next, create a new username. It must be 3 to 20 characters long and contain only letters and numbers. Please don't use your real name. You can use a mix of letters and numbers to create your username. You can also pick one of the suggested usernames. After that, select your gender and hit the Continue button. You can now add a passkey. If you're an iPhone user, you can continue add passkey and enter your iPhone passcode to continue. You can also skip the passkey and create your password for Roblox account and hit the Done button. For safety checks, Roblox may use your camera for age verification. You can continue or cancel it. If you continue, center your face inside the circle. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the Roblox app estimate your age. Then hit the OK button. As you can see, your new Roblox account is now created. You can also add your email address to finish setting up your account. Tap on Add Email and enter your email address. You'll receive an email to verify it. So open the Mail app and look for the new message. Open it and tap on Verify Email. That's it. So this is how to sign up for Roblox on your phone and create a new Roblox account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.